Hello guys, today I am going to help you on how to fix a locked Snapchat account both temporary and permanently when locked. For this, we will not use the Snapchat application, but instead we will use the browser. So go to your browser. On the search bar, type Fix Account Snapchat Locked. Make sure that you choose the official Snapchat support site and tap this one here, and you will be directed to Snapchat support. What we are going to do this time is to slide down a bit and find this word going here. As you click that one, you will be directed in this part. You need to put your username or email. Here, tap your password and tap next. Then, you will be directed in this part. This time, find Unlock My Account and tap this one. But if your account is permanently locked, you can try doing this one. Go back again to your Google or browser and search Snapchat support. And make sure that you are in the official site again. Here, tap Contact Us. And this time, tap I can't access my account. Tap I see an error while logging in. Scroll down and as you can see here, it has need more help. Tap here the yes. Here, you will be given a form for you to fill up. Just fill in the needed details in here and also put the description about your concern. It is not guaranteed that you will have back your account, but it is still worth trying. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.